In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Xbox Game Pass on Firestick. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily use Xbox Game Pass in your Firestick. You will have access to all of your games, especially those available in cloud gaming. So go over to the App Store on your Firestick, and in here press Select and look for the Xbox app. So you need to download the Xbox application on the App Store of your Fire Stick. Once you find the Xbox app, it should be free to download. And once it is downloaded on your Fire Stick, you will find it available on your apps and channels, and all that you have to do now is open it up. When you open the Xbox app for the first time, it will guide you through the process of signing into your account. This will be done by scanning a QR code or visiting this website here. So either scan this QR code using your phone or visit this website, xbox.com/TV setup through a web browser on your computer or your phone, and then enter the code here. Usually it will be a mix of numbers and letters. So you sign into your Xbox or Microsoft account through this website, and then input the code or read the QR code using your camera, whatever you prefer. Once one of these two options have been completed, it will ask you to pair a controller. This will be needed for the games available through cloud gaming. So choose pair a controller, and you can select between an Xbox controller, PlayStation controller, or an Amazon Luna, and so on. So you will get instructions on how to connect it. Press and hold the sync or pair button for about 3 seconds, and then choose the pair option. Once the controller has been successfully connected to your TV, you will have access to cloud gaming, and you can choose any of the games available here to play directly from your Fire Stick. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.